Method 1. Use your phone's password manager. Most smartphones automatically save passwords, so your Facebook login might already be stored. Here's how to check. For Android, open Settings on your phone. Go to Google, manage your Google account. Navigate to the Security tab. Scroll down and tap Password Manager. Look for Facebook in the list. Tap it and confirm your identity using your phone lock, PIN, fingerprint, or password. Tap the eye icon to reveal your saved Facebook password. This works if you've allowed your phone or Google account to save passwords. Method 2. Check your browser's saved passwords. If you've logged into Facebook on your web browser and saved the password there, here's how to find it using Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Scroll down and click Passwords under the Autofill section. Find Facebook in the list. Click the eye icon next to the saved entry. Confirm your device's login to reveal the password. Once you see it, you can use it to log in again or save it somewhere safe. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.